nandito po kami ngayon para isubmit ko yung aking counter affidavit doon po sa obstruction of justice na naman na final ng kaso ng CIDG po sa akin. At nakapag-oath na ako at nasubmit ko na yung counter affidavit. Only that I have to furnish a copy of the same upon agreement to the CIDG office.
Sir, yun yung in relation doon sa nangyari pang arresto kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
Attorney Jimmy Bondoc will answer.
Opo, this has a direct relation to the August 24, 2024 incident, or rather incidents, no? Tungkol po sa mere act of Attorney Torion acting as the counsel for the kingdom. So I think Attorney Torion will be able to explain further later on that all he did was ensure that the rights of the people inside the KOJC were protected.
Sir, ano po yung nilalaman ng counter affidavit?
Well, defenses on the charge against me for obstruction of justice, they anchored the same on three modalities in the commission of obstruction of justice case, and I just simply provided the defenses, such as but not limited to the fact that I was only performing my duty as legal counsel, and that I did my job as a lawyer, and all of which are reasons enough not to indict me for obstruction of justice. Otherwise, and all lawyers who will be defending accused persons would be liable for or would be indicted for obstruction of justice.
Sir, can you cite ano po yung specific instance na ginamit po ng CIDG sa pag-file sa inyo ng obstruction of justice?
As I've said, tatlong modalities yun, pero kung i-enumerate ko yun, baka i-question naman ako. I hope you understand. So, tatlong modalities yun, yung sabi nila, arising out of the same incident on August 24, 2024. I don't know nga, bakit ngayon lang ako finailan. Siguro dahil na-dismiss na yung mga ibang mga kaso ko, ipinilit pa rin ito. No? During the time of General Torre, this is not one of the cases that he filed against me. But since this has been filed already, we took it best to prepare a good counter affidavit, hoping and praying that the case would be dismissed.
Ma'am, to provide lang a factual scenario, dun lang po sa tinanong ninyo, it is a very notorious video naman, ano, yung si General Torre at si Attorney Torion were discussing about the legality of the execution of the warrant and the service of the warrant. Nag-uusap po sila noon at ang marami pong very peaceful at mahinahon na pagbabalikan sila ng kanilang mga katanungan at sagot. However, despite the legality and that exchange, it has now evolved into a case.
Attorney, after nito, ano po yung mga inaasahan pa after yung mag-file ng court?
Well, if you will read the new rules of the prosecution, the DOJ, it would be up to the hearing officer to conduct clarificatory hearings. If there are matters that have to be clarified, it is within the discretion of the hearing officer to call such. Otherwise, he will be submitting an order, notice to us that the case will be submitted for resolution. I am expecting that I think the case will be submitted for resolution na.